Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to change the themes in Redmi K50i smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So in the home screen, you can see the icon called themes. You can directly click on that. Now it will directly redirecting into the theme store. You can see lot of themes available here. So you can see thousands of themes. All themes are displayed maximum as a premium one. But in the theme store, you can download premium themes for free. So we can download any themes. You can see lot of themes available here. So if you want to download this theme, you need to click on this icon. Now I go with the premium theme. You can see. So this one is a premium theme, but when I click premium, it automatically get downloaded. Now click on apply in order to apply the theme. You can see the theme is applied successfully. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.